Homegrown is a creativity and wellbeing program for women who are in the justice system. Homegrown is building a community that values lived experience and supports women to take space for ourselves and find ways of sharing our stories through different art forms. This audio journey has been crafted with love by the Homegrown Collective. We created this podcast to control our own narrative, to tell our own stories, to be who we are on our own terms. Each episode you'll hear more about the work we do and the community we are building.
This episode we hear from Super Narni, our incredible collaborator and creator. Narni inspires us all with her healing powers and bravery. A talented weaver of harakeke and dream catchers, Narni has been working with us for 4 years. A gentle warning that this episode deals with grief. Dive into this episode as an audio listening experience. Narni has recorded sound in spaces that she loves, sounds that nurture her and her whānau while sharing her creative writing and stories.
Ha ki roto, ha ki waho, ha ki roto, ha ki waho. Nau mai ngā hua, nau mai ngā pai, nau mai kia nui, kia hāwere ai. Welcome all things that have grown, welcome all things that are good. May they be plentiful and abundant.
My whānau, my family, my Furby, my sofuri, my sea monkeys, my wanting 3 puppies, my guinea pig, my I was the skinny kid, my smashing the public toilet, my wishing I never did it, my smart mouth, my I need help, my netball player, my flower wallpaper, my singing, my I'm dreaming, my painting, my I'm changing, my big heart, my stink fart, my contagious smile, my luscious style, my car, my I'm off to the bar, my grey hair, my I'm unprepared, my I'm progressing, my it's such a blessing, my I am me, my I am free. Okay. So my superhero name was Super Narni, and my superpower would be healing. I was like, if I was gonna be a superhero, what would my name be? And then he'd asked me, I was like, what do you think? And I was like, Super Narni. And he was like, yeah, I agree with that. And I was like, and what about my superpower? And then he was like, what do you think your superpower would be? And I was like, I'm good at cleaning. And then he was just like, he had said that what relates to him, I guess, that what my superpower would be healing. And that's how we sort of came up with that. Yeah. Nani is my nickname for Nanny because I refuse to be called Nan because I'm too young. No. Yeah, so that's why the nickname Nani.
And if you had your superpower for one day in the life that you live, what are some things that you would choose to heal?
My mum. Yeah. Just to take her sickness away. Should be the first. Yeah. I wasn't planning on crying today. Oh, man. My homegrown family, a sight of strong wahine, a sound of birds singing, a smell of beautiful candles burning, a taste of fresh sandwiches, a touch of sticky fingers, a sense of believing, a touch of creating, a feeling of belonging. So I actually was able to go on a bushwalk yesterday morning, and I don't know, I just felt like, free. It was good. Yeah, because it's been a while. that I'd actually been on a bushwalk. But you know, it was so good, I just felt like, yeah, my cup was full. Yeah. Definitely healing in a way too.
Yeah.
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 Can you describe where we are?
Just like with the bushwalk and like a creek running down, and, you know, just trees everywhere. Yeah. 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 But you know, it's actually just beautiful out there. Yeah.
Let's just have a listen for a while, eh?
And so I done a drawing, it was pastel. First time working with pastel actually, and it's just off the ocean. And I actually wrote a poem to that too. Should I read that? Yeah. Pull me closer, 'cause I'm drifting away, trying to look within, but it's slippery, deep, powerful, undercurrent. It's like a tidal wave, pulling me under, drowning, scared, swiftly flowing, trying to find peace. Time and space is what I need. Release me.
This poem was written for Nani's mum, who passed away just before Matariki this year. This poem was inspired by Nani and her mum during a magic morning workshop in Newtown. Mother mine, our lives intertwined, back to my bone in the sharpest of times. Connected to your source I grew, settled in warmth, floating in you. You were my first love. And as lovers do, we fought, we clashed, with our separated views embracing me. At times I pushed you to the ends of your wits, trying to find me in all my forms, in unsafe spaces, places and arms. And through it all, you kept on shining. Through my streaming tears, heartbroken sobs, dreams lost and opportunities gone, there you were. I am yours. I chose you to be born on this earth and grow in the glow of your sun, to hold beyond your sunset.
Beach time. Yeah. I think it was like, one of the first times she was actually scared of the water. She was like, yep, nope, not happening. Don't you take me any closer to the water. So we sort of just like hung back up by the sand, took her shoes off, so to have a feel of the sand. But yeah, her papa and auntie's going for a swim, but she still wouldn't go near it though. Yeah. She'll get there though. She'll. My youngest, they would swim in the ocean, freezing. Yeah. You know, even if it was raining, they'd still go swimming. Like that's their thing. The ocean. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So yeah, so we'd always go to the beach and it's cleansing for him, which is good too. Like even though you see something from nature, doesn't mean you create something from it like right there and then. It can happen like later on down the road and that type thing. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Believe. I can do anything because I believe. I use my imagination because I believe. Nothing is impossible because I believe. I am worth it because I believe. Just keep moving forward because I believe. I never give up because I believe. Just be you because I believe. I've got this because I believe. I am beautiful because I believe. My heart is pure because I believe. I believe in me.
Our call to action for you this week is to go out and explore the sounds in nature all around you. Find that magic space, the sea, the wind, the trees, and sit. Just collect the sound and breathe.
Check out our social media on homegroundnz.com with links to our Facebook, YouTube and Instagram.